Your online shop offers regional handmade products. Part of the profit goes back to the community in order to help preserve local traditions. After each purchase, through a follow-up campaign, you like to educate your customers about your mission and also offer them an incentive to add discounted products to their order before it ships out, also saving them some money on shipping costs. This strategy works to connect and align customers with your ideals while also helping to increase revenues through the extended orders. Your workflow is triggered by the completed purchase condition, where you then immediately send a thank you message with the call to extend the order within 6 hours with discounted products before the original order is shipped out. You check if they've clicked the link that takes them to the discounted items page. And then you'll add another if purchase condition to verify if they completed the additional purchase. If so, this means that they have extended the order within the time frame, and you send an additional thank you message with information about their savings on the shipping costs by extending their order. For those who completed this second order, and also for those who did not, you wait a day, and then you begin your educational series. You send a message to both groups letting them know more about your mission and how they contribute to extending that mission as customers. 2 days after that, you send them another message with an offer to join your referral program, where they can receive exclusive discounts on products if someone purchases the shop after being referred. Those who click the link to join the program and also reach the sign up completion page URL are tagged as an affiliate and are sent a referral welcome message. And again, both those who signed up for the referral program and those who did not are sent a final message in this purchase follow-up series. It serves as a retargeting message, alerting the customers of additional products they may be interested in. This campaign works to educate, extend orders, and create partners within one simple workflow.